94% of content on the internet has zero backlinks. Zero. Meanwhile, the number one result on Google has almost 4 times more backlinks than everyone sitting in positions 2 through 10. So if you're wondering why your amazing blog post isn't ranking, it's not Google being mean, it's math. Let's fix that in the next 5 minutes. And hey, I'm Arman. I've been doing SEO so long, Google probably has my number saved. Today I'm giving you 7 real ways to earn backlinks, all free, no shady PBN nonsense. 1. Digital PR. This is now the number one link building tactic, beating out guest posting for the first time. The idea is simple. Create something newsworthy, an original stat, a survey, a hot take on your industry, and pitch it to journalists. One good pickup can land you links from sites you'd never get into by cold emailing. 2. Guest posting. Still widely used, still works. The trick in 2026 is relevance over raw DR. A niche relevant site beats a random high authority site with zero topical connection. Search your niche plus write for us and start there. 3. Original research. Pages with original research or stats attract roughly 200% more links than regular blog posts. People don't link to opinions, they link to numbers. Run a small survey, publish original data, and watch other sites cite you as the source. 4. Broken link building. Find dead links on high authority resource pages, then offer your content as the replacement. It's basically doing the site owner a favor. You're fixing their page, they're fixing your backlink profile. 5. Competitor backlink gap. Every 10-point increase in domain rating roughly correlates to a 15% better shot at ranking for competitive keywords. Find domains linking to your competitors but not you, and go get those same links. 6. Unlinked brand mentions. Branded mentions, even without a link, now correlate more strongly with AI search visibility than actual backlinks do. So if someone mentions your name without linking it, reach out and politely ask them to turn it into a link. 7. Testimonials for tools. Give a genuine testimonial to a tool or software you actually use. A lot of SaaS companies link back to you from their homepage or a case study page, an easy, real backlink that takes you 2 minutes. So, digital PR, relevant guest posts, original research, broken links, competitor gaps, unlinked mentions, and testimonials. All free, all real. New backlinks typically take about 3 months to actually impact rankings, so don't panic if it's not instant. Subscribe if this helped, and comment which one you want a full deep dive on next.